Installing ScripTouch Google Docs add-on and signing a document. Before you begin, if you have a ProScript device, you will also need to install OmniScript to use this add-on. See our guide on installing OmniScript if you require assistance. Step 1. Installing the Google Docs add-on. Open a browser and navigate to scriptel.com/support/downloads. Scroll down the page and click Download Now for Sign and Save for Google Docs add-on. Click on the Install button. You will need to sign in to your Google account to use this add-on. Click on Allow to complete the installation. Click Done to close the window. The installation is now complete. Step 2. Using the add-on to sign your document. Open the document you want to sign. Click Extensions near the top of the window. Then, ScripTouch Sign and Save for Docs. Then finally, Sign Document. If you wish, change the appearance of the signature. Click the Click Here to Sign button. You may now sign on your signature pad. Click Add Signature to add the signature to your document. You may now move and resize the signature. If you are having problems with Scriptel products, please contact our customer support by email support@my.scriptel.com, by phone 844-972-7478.